In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer an event to another user in Google Workspace. This process is essential if you're moving events from one calendar to another within your organization and can be done easily with the right access. Let's dive right into the steps you'll need to follow. First, you'll want to navigate over to Google Workspace. Open your preferred browser and log into your Google account that has administrative privileges, as this is important for accessing the admin console. Once you're on the Google main page, locate and click on the Admin Console tile. This console acts as your control center for managing everything related to your Google Workspace account, from adding users to managing apps, and in our case, transferring calendar events. Next, log in using your business email. It's crucial to enter the correct credentials associated with your admin account to proceed. After you've successfully logged in, look towards the top right corner of your screen. There you will find the Google Apps menu, often represented by a grid of tiny squares. Click on this to open a drop-down list. In this drop-down, you're looking for the admin icon. This is your gateway to starting the transfer process. Clicking on it will lead you to a page with numerous options. From these, focus your attention on the Apps section. This section is home to all the applications available in your workspace, including Google Calendar, which is our ultimate destination. Now click into the Google Workspace section and navigate directly to Google Calendar. This is where all your events are listed and where you'll make the necessary transfer adjustments. Once you're in Google Calendar, look for an option labeled Manage Events. This allows you to see a list of events and provides the tools to make changes, including transfers. Clicking on Manage Events will bring you to a section called Events Transfer. This is exactly where we need to be to move the event to another user. In the Events Transfer section, you'll see a field where you can type in an email address. Be sure to enter the email address of the current owner of the events you wish to transfer. This ensures you're pulling events from the correct origin. There will be a checkbox option that says Transfer Events to another user. Make sure to tick this box to confirm the action you're about to take. Once that's checked, you'll enter yet another email address, this time the address of the user who will be receiving the events. After all the details are entered, double check them for accuracy, and then hit the Transfer Events button. This final step will activate the transfer, moving all calendar events from the current user to the new one. And there you have it, a straightforward yet powerful way to maintain control and organization within your Google Workspace, ensuring events are where they need to be. Thank you for tuning in, and I hope this guide has been helpful.